Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I want to show you how to make a quick chicken salad. And the purpose of this video is to show you another use for the Ninja. The Ninja can do so many things, guys, that could help you out until you would be really, really pleased. Okay? Alright, without any further ado, thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. And you know what? I'm going to give you your word of the day right now. Be faithful over the little things, and other bigger things will come your way because you have faith. Okay? Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I boiled 4 chicken fingers. That's what I have here. And I'm going to put them in the Ninja right away, because instead of cutting them up, I'm going to let the Ninja do the work to show you another purpose for using the Ninja, okay? I'm going to put the top on, and I'm going to hit mix. Okay, I just wanted to see if it all broke up or not. I can still see a few big pieces, so I'm going to put it on mix again. Okay, now check this out. I'm not even going to take it out of there. I'm going to put everything right inside the Ninja. So I'm going to put some pepper. Salt substitute. Now I like relish in mine, but if you don't like relish in yours, don't put relish in yours. I'm only going to put a half of a tablespoonful, see? Now I'll put the mayonnaise in, all right in here. I don't have to dirty another bowl or anything. Okay, I'm going to go on mix again. Okay, I need more mayonnaise. Okay, I see that the mayonnaise have left the sides of the container, of the bowl. Yeah. Okay. Now let's compile our sandwich. Okay, so I had mayonnaise on my finger. I have some sourdough bread. Pepperidge Farm sourdough bread, okay? I don't know if you ever had sourdough bread or not, but it's really, really good. Really good. It's a heavier bread. Okay. I'm going to put some extra mayonnaise on my bread itself. And I like Hellmann's mayonnaise, okay? Okay, so, let me show you. This is my chicken salad. So you see it's not the chunks as if you would get if you cut it up with the knife, right? This is a more of a smoother texture. And you want to put it on pretty thick. Okay, I have some lettuce and one tomato I cut up. So I'm just going to place the tomatoes right on there. Show you. Now I like adding a little extra pepper on mine, right on my tomatoes. And now the lettuce. I have some romaine lettuce. I think 2 pieces would be too much. I think I'm satisfied with the one. So you see you have, out of 6 chicken fingers, you have enough for another sandwich. So 2 people could really have this meal with that, just 6 chicken fingers. Which was only like 1/4 of a $5 package. That's a pretty good deal. Okay, let me plate that up and present it to you. Okay, guys. Take a look at that display. There's your chicken salad sandwich with the lettuce and tomatoes. And look at the back there, how I decorated it with oranges. You like that? See? Now that will get them to eat their fruit, and the people in the family, and your display is nice. How about that, huh? Wonderful. Okay, let me taste. Here goes. Mmm. Chicken is nice and creamy and soft. Oh my, my, my. I like that much better than cut up. It's great. You know, so if you want to try something different, try a different texture, I suggest putting your chicken in the Ninja or whatever you have to process your food and taste the difference, okay? And an orange to go with it, why not? Oh, it's nice and sweet. Okay, guys, I brought it home. Thumbs up, please. Share the video, subscribe, and comment, would you? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.